Hello! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, Best Kayak for Recreational Use. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Kayaks have been around for centuries and are a popular choice for those looking for a way to enjoy recreational activities on the water. There are many different types of kayaks available on the market, so it can be hard to know which one is right for you. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research, and we review Best Kayak for Recreational Use. Number 1. Pelican Sentinel 100X Best Overall. Number 2. Lifetime Sport Fisher 100. Number 3. Lifetime Cruze 100 Best Budget. Number 4. Intex Explorer K2. Number 5. Advanced Elements AdvancedFrame Inflatable Kayak. Number 6. Perception Joyride 10. Number 7. Pelican Sprint XR. Number 8. Pros and cons, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.